Hey, welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you how you can turn a 2D image into 3D using artificial intelligence free. So first of all, if you need any 3D image or anything like that, feel free to use Midjourney or any other stock image, but I am gonna probably use Midjourney for this video. So the link in the description with the dreamgaussian space on Hugging Face, I'm gonna use the built-in image they provided. So let's go with Luigi in the meantime. First of all, it's not really bad, like it's low quality. If you need some model that you want to like fill the scene, that's great. So for the next trial, I used a simple share image, and beware, oh shit, sometimes the results are nightmarish. Like this, the next one, it's gonna shock you too. It's a simple 3D egg with a shell, but the results are pretty much not expected. It looks like, I'm not gonna say the word, but you already kind of expect or know what I'm talking about. Let's move on to the next one. This is the cute penguin image. So let's turn this into 3D, and this takes a long time to process. Sometimes doesn't even respond because this is an open platform everybody can use, so there's like a lot of pressure on the server, I guess. So after a few trial of hitting press generate, this is the result. I mean, this is not really bad. It's a good one. It's really a good one, but not really decent one because the leg is missing. Now this next image is pretty simple, a graphic artwork of a bounty hunter. So I'm not expecting something like a very detailed model. But let's hit 3D, and this is the first stage of the model. Pretty much baked everything, the lighting is gone and not so much good in my opinion. So the final 3D model is gonna take some time. In the meantime, I'm gonna load a simple fish image. Let's go with that. I'm hitting generate, and in the meantime, the previous one's 3D model is done. It's not really bad. Everything is good. Like you can write it inside any 3D platform. Pretty generate. Oh no, this is an abomination. This totally messed up. Like I said before, some models are totally bad in the outcome. Probably they will be much more better with the tech. Last one is gonna perhaps work super bad or super good. It's gonna turn super bad. Oh shit, it's super bad. Like the cape, it couldn't even figure it out. And let's just go with the final image that's gonna be in the thumbnail. This is a Super Mario Brothers. So this is 3D model. I would say it did a really good job, but when you move around with the 3D object, the illusion is lost. Now to end the video, here are the cons of this feature of this site. First of all, this is a public space, so it takes a lot of time to generate the 3D models, and probably this is still in early development, so every kind of image does not work with it.